Alright, hope everybody's having a good night. Let's get ready to start breaking. Hope you can hear and see well. Start with the list here. Freaking, if it'll focus. Oh, god damn it. There we go. And the Falcons and Ravens are unsold. If anybody wants to get those, just let me know before the break. If not, I'll just keep them myself. And that is the list. Good luck, everybody. Let's start with this Crown Royal hobby box. Or I think it's a hobby. It might be a retail box. Be sure to check out our eBay for Saturday. We're doing a full case of metal draft class. Should be pretty fun. Leaf metal. It's gonna be great. Thanks to a good friend of mine, Brett. Starting off with this Crown Royal. Let's get it going. Got Frank Gore. Die cut insert Clay Matthews, Green Bay Packers. Filler card. Kings Court, Detroit Lions. Insert. And our first hit, it's an auto. Rookie auto, Danny Shelton for the Browns. Die cut also. Numbered 155 out of 199. Calvin Johnson. Matthew Stafford. Alshon Jeffrey. Insert Philip Doors. Rookie insert. And we got another hit. Rookie card, Jameis Winston. That's a good one. Tampa Bay Bucks. Rookie card, Jameis Winston patch. See if it's numbered. And it is numbered. 50 out of 499. And we got another rookie card, Xavier Cooper. I believe it's a parallel insert of some sort. Jordy Nelson. We got a Pro Bowl insert of Emmanuel Sanders. Drew Brees. Pro Bowl insert. Oh, crap. And then we got another hit. Bryce Petty. Auto. Purple. It is 22 of 25. Bryce Petty. Purple parallel auto. Rookie card. Ramik Winston, the Chiefs. Somebody messaged me on my eBay. One sec. Let me check that out. Last pack of the Crown Roll. 2015. Andy Dalton. Travis Kelce. Cam Newton. And our last hit is Andy Dalton. All-Pro patch. And that is numbered 159 out of 275. Yeah, with 4 hits, I'm pretty sure that was the hobby box. Jarrett Schwim, Cowboys rookie card. Let's do this elite. Elite comes with just one big pack. One second. Got another eBay message. One second, guys. Somebody's at my door. I'll be right back. Alright. So sorry about that, guys. Was not expecting that. Somebody texts and says they're, and then you tell them you're busy and they just show up anyways. It's rude. Sorry. Okay. This is the elite we just stopped on. Let's get it going. We got Darrelle Reeves, Jerry Rice, Marcus Allen, Calvin Johnson, Matthew Stafford, LaShawn McCoy, Gary Burnage, Le'Veon Bell, Michael Strahan, Frank Gore, Julio Jones, AJ Green, Mike Evans, Bo Jackson. We have an insert Brett Favre, We have another insert, Jared Allen, Field Vision. And we have an auto, Joshua Perry. Chargers rookie card auto. And it's nice to get auto in these elite boxes because it's not guaranteed. Tajae Sharp, Tennessee Titans rookie card. Miles Jack rookie card. And Allen Robinson. Let's get this done, Russ. Going. Appreciate y'all being understanding about that. Yeah. Let's get started on this. The way I try to do it, I try to have a little bit of everything when I do the mixers. I try to get some nice stuff, you know, like Playbook, Crown Rolls. Got one of these Prominence. Comes with 3 boxes in here. And then I like throwing these little blaster boxes in too, just to have some extra cards for try to make everybody happy. Started off with the Brent Clark, Eagles. Go through these a little faster because there's a lot of them. James Starks, Manuel Sanders, Terrell Suggs, Derek Carr, Jim Kelly, and rated rookie Derrick Henry. Harrison Smith, Kevin White, Jadeveon Clowney, Carson Palmer, rookie card Chris Jones, open up a few of these and then get it going. Terry Bradshaw, Barry Sanders, Kenny Britt, Chandler Jones. Got an insert 1485 production line, Adrian Peterson. Paul Perkins, rated rookie card. Darren McFadden. Peyton Manning. T.Y. Hilton. Eric Ebron. Willie Snead. Rookie card Alshon Robinson. Zach Ertz. Kirk Cousins. Case Keenum. Jameis Winston. Cecil Shorts III. And we have a red parallel press proof rookie card. Moritz Boinger. I think that might be the first time I've said his name right. I completely butchered it every other time. And we got a rated rookie, Laquan Treadwell. Eddie Lacy. Demaryius Thomas. Jimmy Smith. Joe Namath. Jarrell Casey. Jonathan Cipher. Gridiron Kings Tom Brady insert. William Jackson. Rookie card. And that's that. Let's get another one going. Jeremy Hill, Robert Mathis, Tevin Coleman, Kenny Vaccaro, Randall Cobb, press proof, Jordan Howard, rated rookie card. Those are just, and Victor Cruz, Sean Jackson, Graham, Allen Robertson, Kurt Warner, Legends of the Fall, Terry Bradshaw, insert card, Sue Cravens, rookie card, Marius Wilson, Odell Beckham, Russell Wilson, Terrence Williams, Alex Smith, Ryan Kurgan, Jarvis Landry, and we have rookie phenom Laquan Treadwell patch. It's not numbered. Looks nice though. Laquan Treadwell. Robert Agaro, filler card. Richard Rodgers, Eli Manning, Aaron Donald, Jonathan Stewart, Vince Wilfork, Devontae Booker. I hate how they put these cards every which way. You got constantly moving them around. They can't just put them all facing one direction. Ryan Schweitzer, Theo Reddick, Matt Jones, Todd Gurley II, Fred Taylor, Julio Jones. Production line touchdowns insert, 37 touchdown Blake Bortles. And the last card of the Donruss is Mackenzie Alexander. Let's do one box of this Prominence. Ooh, what do we see there? One of my buddy's favorite teams right there. Alright. Cincinnati Bengals, AJ Green, space card. Steve Smith. Have a rookie card, Mike Gillespie, 179 out of 199. Miami Dolphins. And we have a Christian Michael Prominence. Well, yeah, they're all Prominence. Rookie card, rookie field plates. Seattle Seahawks, 99 out of 105. With the auto. Looks pretty nice. And rookie card, Nick Casa, Oakland Raiders. Let's get this Panini football out the way. Another little blaster box just for the fun of it. Okay, started off, rookie card Cody Kessler, Zach Kuechly, Tony Romo, Alshon Jeffrey, Justin Houston, Teddy Bridgewater, Eddie Lacy. We'll have a parallel insert. Carlos Hyde, Nick Sudfeld rookie card, Jacob Tamey, Julio Jones, Willie Snead, Anthony Barr, Malcolm Smith, Rashad Jones, Combine Champions, Darren Lee, insert card, Miles Jack rookie card, Ryan Schweitzer, D'Angelo Williams, Darrell Green Beckham, Aaron McDonald, David Johnson, Andrew Luck, Cowboys parallel insert, Rick Gathers rookie card, is that? Yep, rookie card. DeMarcus Ayers. And we have a Ezekiel Elliott rookie card patch. There you go right there. Not as good as auto, but that's still pretty damn good. Ezekiel Elliott rookie card patch. Let me get it to focus there a little bit. And guys, that's just out of a little blaster box. The little surprises you'll get out of there sometimes. Ezekiel Elliott rookie card patch right there. Cody Fleener, Sean Lee, Muhammad Wilkerson, Tavon Austin, Torrey Smith, Jordan Matthews. Ooh, look at that. Drew Brees refractor. That's cool. Leonard Floyd, Jared Cook, Mark Ingram, Dwayne Allen, Dre Kirkpatrick, Tyler Eifert, and Von Miller. Alright, Alright, let's get this going. Greg Olson, Tyrann Mathieu, Frank Gore, Sammy Watkins, Amari Cooper, LeGarrette Blount, J.J. Watt. Insert. Sterling Shepard rookie card. Jason Witten, Alfred Blue. Legends of the Shield, John Elway insert. Jalen Ramsey rookie card. Eli Manning. And that's what's good about these little blaster boxes. You can get some good base rookie cards. A lot of them. They normally put a lot of good rookie cards in them. Nice little insert there. Vernon Hargreaves rookie card. J.J. Watt, Sam Bradford, Doug Martin, Michael Floyd, Gale Sayers, accolades, defensive tackle, Chris Jones. That shows you I'm just reading what I see. Devontae Freeman, Travis Benjamin, Brandon Cooks, Khalil Mack, Derek Carr, Mike Evans. We got a Royal Family dual team card. Chris Long and Kyle Young. He's in his Rams uniforms, but it says Patriots. So that'll random off to the Patriots and Bears here later. Jacoby Brissett rookie card. Steve Smith Sr., Quan Bolden, Allen Robinson, Chadrick West, Kurt Warner, and the last one, rookie card of Malik Collins. Let's bust another box of this Prominence 2013. Kenny Britt, Reggie Wayne, rookie card and Mattelti, and the hit is a 69 out of 225 rookie filled plates, rookie card, McGarris Hunt. For the Cincinnati Bengals. And rookie card, Ryan Nassab. Go ahead and do that last box. Phillip Rivers, Chargers, obviously. Darren McFadden. We got a Wes Welker, 77 out of 199. If y'all didn't know, he's actually a wide receiver coach now for the Houston Texans. It's pretty cool. We got an auto patch, RPA right here, rated rookie. It is Josh Boyce, 162 out of 225. Josh Boyce, wide receiver. And last card of those, Ezekiel Ansah, rookie card. Alright, let's do this crown royal. Kirk Cousins, Justin Forsett, Alshon Jeffrey, Bears, number 95 out of 199. Derek Carr, Phillip Rivers. Julian Edelman, Josh Doctson, and our hit is Kansas City Chiefs, Chris Jones auto, short print 29 out of 50. Chris Jones, Kansas City. Paul Garcon, or Pierre Garcon, Alshon Jeffrey. Amari Cooper, Paul Perkins, Jared Goff rookie card. I'm going to put that right here because I got a little something special that has something to do with this guy. Whoever's in the chat room, I'm going to random something off for whoever's watching the live feed that has bought auction at the end of the break. So let me know if you're there when I ask later, and whoever is gonna get it put in a random for something that has to do with this guy right here, and that's numbered also. Just noticed that it's a 91 out of 149. Antonio Gates, Christian Hackenberg, and Christian Hackenberg again for the hit. Patch, Christian Hackenberg, rookie patch. Blake Bortles and Drew Brees. Now, here we go for the playbook. Let's see what we got here. Last box. And our book is Denver Broncos, Devontae Booker, rookie card booklet. 2 patches, auto, Devontae Booker. Try to get that to focus. $44 out of $199. These little things are cool. I like them. And we got Will Fuller patch, Hot Roots, 26 out of $1.99. And last card is Ezekiel Ansah. 106 out of 199. Alright. We only have one random. Nothing big. Where's my... 1 second. Alright. Before I do the random, I'm gonna give away this Jared Goff auto. I got two of them. I got them at the NFL Experience when the Super Bowl was in Houston. That's where I'm from. So if you're in the chat, let me know right now, and I'm gonna random that off. Well, Corbin, if you're the only one here, then it's going to you. Let's do this. Oh, we got one other. Let's do this random first, and then we'll do that Golf auto. And it was just a quick auto at the Experience, like I said, so no certification or nothing, but if it helps, I got pictures of me and him signing it and all that good stuff. If you want that, let me know. I'll send it to you. Whoever wins it. Let me get this random up here real quick. 1 second. And we're going to do it 6 times. Okay, so I'm putting both teams twice. Patriots and Bears for that one card. We're going to do it 6 times. Patriots and Bears for that card. Once, twice, and it's whoever's at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6. And it goes to the Patriots on that card. Alright, let's do this between y'all two guys. I'm glad it was y'all two. Let me know everything was all good with that little interruption we had. Let me set it up. Alright, here we go. 6 times. Got both y'all in there. And 6. It's going to Shaggy. Congratulations. Let me show y'all my picture real quick with Jared Goff. Where's it at? Right here. That's me right there in Jared Goff. If it will focus. And that's the picture you want right there. He's a pretty nice guy. I had one with Reggie Wayne too. There's Zeke. When me and my girlfriend met Zeke, a lot of players were in the mall and around Houston when we went to the, well, when Houston had Super Bowl. That's me, like collage of a couple different players. We got two Saints players. I don't even remember their names. Their defense. One was like some I forgot. But that's Reggie Wayne up there. These two guys, they're like second or third string Saints defensive players down here. One of them's name is Vaughn something, and the other guy I have no idea. I don't remember. That's a helmet we got signed by Zeke. My girlfriend loves the Cowboys. She won't let me. I want to sell it, but she won't let me. But alright, guys. Thank y'all for the fun break. Come back Saturday night. We're going to do a full case of Leaf Metal Draft. That's going to be real fun. Thank y'all. Y'all have a great night.